This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone. So, yesterday's class, I hope you people tried. We did with the TDS and TDS with lower rate also we did. Any doubts in that?
No, ma'am.
Understood everything? Okay, today we will pass an entry on using the different currencies. Currency means we will try with dollar sign. Okay, so when we did the currency, we were discussing that whenever the transaction is happening from India to other America, so purchase and sales both will work, and we'll see how that rate of exchange it works. Okay, so for that we'll create a new company where we'll not include any of the GST things or anything. Fine. So hope you people are able to see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So first let's create a new company. So I'll give multi-currency trading company in order to identify. You can give whatever company name you wanted. So here I'll select Karnataka, India. I'll accept, and here in F11 I'll just deactivate GST. Okay. So create the company. Done. Done, Mark. Created the company. If anybody is working simultaneously along with me, so I will create a currency dollar. So I'll use shift 4 for dollar symbol, dollar. So rest other things I'll keep it as it is and I will save it. Because I'm going to pass the transaction using dollar. Create a currency dollar. So dollar currency we will create it. Then we have to create the units. Units I'll create numbers. So here I'll be purchasing and selling the marker pens. So I'll be purchasing from the other country and I'll be selling it to the other country. Okay. So create the currency dollar and create the units number. Now I'll create the stock item Reynolds marker pen. Create stock item Reynolds marker pen. So I'm not giving any group or category and all. I'll select the units. So create Reynolds marker pen, give the units and save. Save it. Now I have to create the ledgers. So while creating the ledger, two parties I'm going to create. One is Reynolds Company, who is my supplier. So he resides in USA, and other person to whom I am making the sale. He is Gerald and Company. He is my debtor, and for him also I am choosing the country as USA. Okay. So Reynolds Company is my sundry creditor. Maintain balance bill by bill should be yes, and here I have to choose the country. So I'll go for change country and take United States of America. So I'll take Alaska as the state. Create the party ledger, who's my supplier. Hope you people are done. Still anybody is trying?
Done, ma'am.
I will save it. Now I'll create my customer, Gerald, Gerald and Company. They will be my sundry data. Maintain balance bill by bill should be yes. So here also I will change the country. So I will give it as United States of America, and here I will give California, and I will save it. Hope you people are done. I'll accept. So I have created my supplier and my creditor. Now I have to create purchase and sales ledger. Purchase account. So it comes under purchase accounts. I will save it. Then I'll make sales account under sales. save it. So create this required letters.
Done, ma'am.
So now when I am activating this one, so by default rate of exchange will come. In case if you are not getting the rate of exchange, then you have to activate this one. Okay. So let's pass the purchase entry. On 1st May 2022, rate of exchange is 75 rupees per dollar. On 2nd May, made the payment to Reynolds and Company by completely clearing the outstanding, and rate of exchange on 2nd will be 76. So you know every day the currency value keeps getting changed. So on first, when I was making the purchase, the currency value was 75. And on second, I made the payment. Within one day, the currency value has been increased to 76. Okay. So I have to pass the purchase voucher. So I'll go and I'll pass the purchase entry, purchase voucher F9. So it is control H. I'm going for item invoice. So I'll change the date to 1/5. 1st of May. I'll give the reference number as purchase 101. So party from whom I am purchasing, it is Reynolds and Company. I'll accept the receipt details. I'll accept the party details. Purchase account. Name of item what I am purchasing is Reynolds marker pen. So how much quantity I am purchasing? So I am purchasing 1000 numbers of marker pens. Okay, so here when I'm entering the date rate, so I should use dollar sign, dollar. So per pen cost 15 rupees. Okay, $15. Enter. So your value will be coming in dollars only. So when you are entering the rate, first press dollar sign using shift 4, dollar sign, and enter the value. So $15 per pen. Okay, like that I am purchasing 1000 number of marker pens. So total value comes to $15,000. $15,000. Okay. So here as I am entering, here you can see the rate of exchange. You should get this. If you are not getting, then you need to activate this. So where you will get it means from your screen press F12. If you are not getting, then here allocate bills for, so this one should be yes. Okay, so by default you will get it. In case if you are not getting, then you have to do this. So here as per that date, so what was the rate? So they are telling it was 75 rupees per dollar. So here $15,000 at 75 per dollar. Okay. So here you can see the conversion, it will show once I have done it. So the actual value is in dollars, it is $15,000. When I am converting it into 75 rupees, means according to Indian rupees, 1 rupee of Indian currency is 75 rupees of $75 of US. So for Indian currency, it is 11,25,000. Getting it, girls? Understood? If anybody is not getting, please tell. So once you enter the rate, automatically it will take you to the rate of exchange. So per dollar, if I'm telling per number is $15 means according to Indian rupees. So per dollar here it costs 75 rupees. So rate in conversion. So per number it cost 1125 rupees. Are you able to understand? Are you able to follow it? So rate of foreign exchange. Forex is nothing but foreign exchange. So per pen cost is 15 rupees, $15. Okay. So when I'm coming to rate of exchange, per dollar is 75 rupees. So according to it, rate in rupees, if we see, per number, per marker pen cost 1125. So I am purchasing 1000 numbers of marker pen like that. So the rate will be, the total value will be 11,25,000. So I'll give you 2 minutes of time to pass this entry. If any doubts, please tell. So I will save this. So it will be new reference. So being item purchased. And I will save it. Hope you people are done. So next I have to make the payment voucher for it. Okay. So I'm making the payment when on the very next day itself I'm making the payment. So I'll press F5 for payment voucher, F2 I'll give as 25. So to whom I'm making the payment, Reynolds and Company. So against reference. So here as I enter I should get the rate of exchange. So the very next day the amount, the rate of exchange has changed to 76 per dollar. So where I was supposed to pay 11,25,000, now I am supposed to pay 11,40,000 as there is change in the rate of exchange. If it is decreasing, then fine. If it is increasing, then we are in no loss. Pass the payment entry till here. Understood, or you want me to show it once again?
Can you show it once again, ma'am?
See, when I made the purchase, the actual cost was 11,25,000, which I was supposed to pay. Okay. So now I am making the payment on the very next day. So payment voucher F5, I'll change the date to 25. Okay. So to whom I am making the payment? Reynolds. Against reference. So actual amount what I was supposed to pay is 11,25,000. So against reference automatically tally will tell this is the pending bill. Enter. So as I enter here it will ask the forex amount, that is rate of exchange. So is there any changes in the rate? So now the currency value of dollar has increased to 76 per dollar. I have to type in what is the rate of exchange. So there is 1 rupees increase in the currency value, dollar value. Okay. So now as it is increased with 1 rupees, you see it has become 11,40,000 rupees, which I am supposed to pay to them. Got it, ma? Understood? I'll press enter. End of list. How am I going to pay? I am going to pay by bank. HDFC Bank, under bank accounts. I will save this. So I'll give the opening balance. Control enter. Enter. Come to the opening balance. So 11,40,000 rupees. So here you can see that the changes in the rate it will show here. Okay. So now, so instrument number, that is check number, being amount paid by check to Reynolds Company, and save. So now it is a loss for me where I was supposed to pay 11,25,000. I have paid 15,000 rupees extra. It is 11,40,000 rupees I have paid. So now let's check it in our balance sheet. So everybody has done, whoever is trying. If anybody is trying, I will save it. Now I'll go to balance sheet and check the unadjusted forex gain or loss. Okay. So this one will be on the asset side. So in Tally, we need not have to create any of the balance sheet, P&L account or anything manually. Everything Tally itself will take care. I'll go to balance sheet and I'll press Alt F1 to see the detailed one. And here you can see, so the amount what I purchased, so the difference is unadjusted for forex gain or loss. So it is showing on the asset side. You can go and check it in balance sheet from gateway of Tally. Go to balance sheet. So unadjusted means because I have purchased the item for 11 lakh 25,000, wherein I am paying 11 lakh 40,000 rupees. So 15,000 rupees, the differences is happening. So it is showing as an unadjusted forex gain or loss on the asset side. So now we will sell. Okay, pass the sales voucher. On 2nd May, sold 800 numbers of marker pens to Gerald and Company at rupees at dollar 25 per number, and the rate of exchange is 76 per dollar. Okay, so I'll come out, I'll go to vouchers, I'll make sales. I'm making the sales to, change the date to 5 Gerald and Company. I'll accept the dispatch detail, party detail, sales account, and I'm selling Reynolds marker pens 800. So dollar 25 per marker pen cost. I'm selling at $25. So here rate of exchange it is as they have asked. So here it was rate of exchange is 76 per dollar. 76 slash dollar. So once I give this, so here you can see for 800 numbers, dollar 20,000 is the cost. So as per Indian currency, it is coming to 15 lakh 20,000. 15 lakh 20,000. Once I have done, I will give you sufficient time to practice it on your own so that you will understand. Press enter, new reference. So, being items sold. I will say. Pass this entry. Too much of confusion or what? Are you able to follow it? Is it confusing, girls? Are you people able to do? If you are not able to follow, please tell. I'll explain it once again. I'll save it. Now I'll make the receipt voucher. Okay. So receipt voucher F6. So receipt voucher I'll make it on 1/6. So here from whom I am receiving the amount, Gerard and Company against reference. So I will choose the pending bill. So here now the rate of exchange has been increased to 78. So here I'll come 78 per dollar. Sorry. Of list. So I am receiving it by bank. So here forex amount is $20,000, and here when I am coming to the value in rupees, the rate of exchange is rupees 78 per dollar. The value becomes 15,60,000. Enter. So instrument number, bank, specify bank name, HDFC Bank. So being check received from the customer. I'm just randomly giving some narration and I will save it. So when I made the purchase amount was 11,25,000. So when the rate of exchange increased, so I was supposed to pay 11,40,000 rupees. So whenever the transaction is happening from one country to another country, based on this rate of exchange and all, the amount what we are supposed to pay, the amount what we are supposed to receive, it will keep getting changed. Okay, I'll accept this. Now I'll go to balance sheet. So now you can see the amount has come on the liability side. So unadjusted forex gain or loss, it has come to liability side. Alt F1. So now I have to adjust this forex amount. Okay. So when there is a differences of when I made the purchase, so 15,000 was loss, and when I'm making the sales, 40,000 rupees was my profit. So overall there is 25,000 rupees unadjusted. Getting it, girls? Initially when I made the purchase and the loss what has happened, 15,000 rupees which I paid in excess, it was showing on the asset side. When I made the sales, so when I made the sales, I got some extra amount because of the rate of exchange, and now it has been adjusted on the liability side. So the differences, that is 15,000 which was a loss for me which I paid on purchase, and 40,000 rupees which is in excess I got on the rate of exchange when I made the sales. So the difference is 40,000 minus 15,000. If I do, the difference is 25,000. So that one, it has been shown as unadjusted foreign gain or loss on your liability side. Okay, and this for unadjusted for forex gain or loss will be shown to you in your balance sheet and in trial balance, not in profit and loss account. So we'll go and check it in P&L account. I press alt F1. See, nowhere it has been mentioned. So now if I go to trial balance, so I'll go to display more reports, I'll go to trial balance, and here I'll press alt F1. So here you can see unadjusted forex gain or loss. So this foreign exchange gain or loss, it will be mentioned in your balance sheet and in your trial balance. So you can see debit on the debit side it is 15,000, on the credit side the same unadjusted forex rate 40,000 rupees. So this was in excess when I paid on the purchase. This is in excess when I received on the sales. Okay, the difference amount, that 25,000, it has been shown in the balance sheet. So here you can see 25,000 difference it is showing on your liability side. Understood? So now whatever this unadjusted amount is there, I have to show it in the journal voucher. Usually journal voucher is used to show this type of adjustments only. Okay. So now I have to do the adjustment on this unadjusted forex gain or loss. So for that, how am I going to do? So I have passed the purchase. For that I have done the payment. I passed the sales. For that I have done the receipt payment. So now I'll go to alter journal voucher. I'll go to voucher type. I'll select journal voucher. So I'll tell you how to get to voucher type. From gateway of tally, go to alter, select voucher type. Under that I wanted to make the necessary changes in journal voucher. So I'll select this. So I'll come to name of class. So name of class, I will give it as forex gain or loss. Make the alteration of your journal voucher.
Ma'am, after printing, it's directly going to saving, ma'am. It's not going to name of class.
Name of you have gone to alter only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it should go no name of class printing. After that, it is going directly where
To save, ma'am.
to save. Name of class is not you are not able to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Just check whether your F12 configuration is as given above. Allow use of voucher class to yes.
Yes, ma'am. It's in yes only.
Other things and all it is proper only. The second one and the last one should be no. Rest others everything is yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Control I. So in this narration abbreviations. So mention your voucher class over here.
It's coming, ma'am, but it's coming blank. The spaces where
Yeah,
we are
you
typing.
entered the name. You're not able to type there.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm not able to type.
No, no, mine I am able to type it. Something must have happened. Variations, zero and interest. Activate this voucher type. So activate this voucher type to yes it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is not happening? Name of class will come automatically, no, because no other thing we have done. So I just alter voucher type, journal voucher. So here I have to press enter and automatically it will come to name of class. Still you are not able to do it?
I'll refresh and try, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now also it's same, ma'am.
It is not working.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just now follow the instructions. I'll just check out tomorrow morning. You just put in a message to me. Okay. So to check
Okay,
for
ma'am.
this forex gain and loss in the journal voucher, I'll just see what has went wrong and I will let you know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So forex gain or loss. So here use class for forex gain or loss. I should make it as yes. So here I have to select the ledger. So Gerald, sorry. So here I'll select profit and loss account. Okay. I will accept this. Now I'll go to vouchers. I'll press F7 for journal voucher. So as I press F7 for journal voucher, now it will ask under voucher journal, sorry, journal voucher, what type of voucher class you wanted to apply. So I wanted to go for forex gain or loss. I'll select this. See, automatically has I selected their profit and loss account, it will directly show as profit and loss account, and here I am going to select both the things. So first I will select Gerald, so automatically it will tell what is the purchase amount. Then I will select Gerald company, so it will show for the bill wise details. So here it is done. So the differences here you can see it is shown 25,000. Okay, then I will save this. Now I'll go and check in the balance sheet what has happened. Alt F1 I do. So here now the amount less transferred 25,000. So whatever it was showing like forex gain or loss unadjusted forex value. So now it has been shown as less 25,000. Now if I check it in trial balance, so Alt F1 for detail, the profit and loss account 25,000. So like this, I'm going to adjust the forex gain or loss. This sum, it might be bit complicated, little bit confusion, not complicated also. So once you try, you'll get to know. So I'll give you now the time. You create one more item and try to pass it. So you can create for some other item. or else you will try with the same sum. Fine, you can try it out. If anywhere you are getting stuck, not able to do, please tell. You create with some other customer and supplier. So once you have created different parties, pass a purchase voucher. So from when you people have that CIA exam or something, one of your batchmate had a message that next week you'll be having the CIA exams. So your last session will be on Monday. We'll be having the exam on that day. Hope it is not starting from Monday or something.
We have it from Saturday only, ma'am.
From Saturday. So Monday you'll be having CIA exams, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So then how did you inform your management about it?
No, ma'am, we didn't inform.
So they are aware that you are having such exam, because we are not got informed anything about exam or something. Let me check out with our management. I will inform them that during the same timings you will be having the exam, sir.
One day, one timings is there, ma'am, for us.
Okay, okay. It is not like at a fixed timing or something like that.
No, ma'am.
Because for our instructions, they have informed that Friday till Friday you'll be taking the classes, everything. Monday we'll be having the exam, they told. So till now they have not informed about any change in the schedule or something. So if there is any changes, we have to inform them in prior so that they can make the necessary arrangement. So let me check out with my management. I'll inform them that they are having some exams starting from Saturday only. Monday also they are having. So just check out and let me know at what time if it, you'll be having the exam on Monday. Saturday somehow we don't have the
Monday we
class.
have it from 10:30 to 12, ma'am.
Okay, in the mornings only, no, not in the evenings, right?
No, ma'am.
But I hope you
But we
people
have to
might
prepare
be.
for next day subject, ma'am.
That is true. Okay, let me check out and we'll get back to you. Okay, I'll just check out with the management. Saturday at what time you are having? If in case if they tell that let's try to take
12:15
it.
to 2:15, ma'am, Saturday.
Okay, this is the same timings for other girls also. Is it for any individual girls or to everyone it is in common, this exam?
It's for
Everyone are
everyone.
having this. It is for everyone. Okay, okay. So as you are telling, it is from 12:30 to 2. I'll just check out with my management if we can schedule. So if it is on Saturday, means you people will be able to attend. Was planning about the exam.
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone will be able to attend during the same timings, 6:30 to 8 if we give.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just let give me some time. I'll check out with my management and see what it can be done. Because previously, when we had conducted classes for MCC, that time also they had some exams, and once after they finished their exam, we conducted our exam. So I don't know how they are going to plan it. Let me check out. Okay, anything I will inform you before Friday. So tomorrow only I have to put in a word because now everybody has left for the day. So tomorrow morning as I come, I will speak to our director. I'll inform him about it. So let's see. Okay. So any changes by Friday, I will inform you.
Okay, ma'am.
Today's sum I try to keep it as simple as I can because this is online class and most of the time it will be difficult for you to follow. Is this the same batch for which I have conducted financial modeling classes like some 3 4 months back? It was for BCom only, and there were also combination students, combination of different streams.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It was different uh, section, I believe. So did you try to create the tally vault? Yesterday I had taught. Others, if anybody is trying the sum, if you are having any doubt, please tell. Try it out with the same item only. Just create different ledgers, party and my supplier and my customer. So create different ledgers for parties and then try to pass this entry and see. So rest others and all are able to get the name of class, except one girl. Sometimes if there is any setup issues while downloading also, few things will not work. So tomorrow, whatever it is left out, like debit note, credit note, physical stock voucher, stock journal voucher, and memorandum voucher. So one example on all those things. These are the left out parts. Okay. So tomorrow we'll cover up with all those things, and day after tomorrow we'll have it as a revision class. So whatever the doubts you have from the beginning. So one person, she was asking for GST introduction class, that was for on 13th, where the recording was not done properly. So GST, I'll just explain you once again. So apart from it, any other doubts, please make a note and get it clarified.
Ma'am, for the exam,
Hmm.
will you ask like basic questions or practical questions?
It will be MCQs, ma'am, multiple choice.
Yes, ma'am, like they will ask us how to create a company, what keys are we supposed to use, like that.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be totally on the screen elements and all. So like for example, if it is single entry, like payment voucher single entry screen is there. There might be a screenshot and they will ask what screen it is. Either we are into single entry, double entry, like that. So what is this shortcut key used for, like that.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be 50-50 accounts and tally, both it will be.
So we should just go through our notes, like whatever we've written.
Yes, yes.
And
Go
there
through
will
it,
be,
and the practicals, whatever I have taught, that will be more than enough. If you have done with that practicals, everything, it's more than enough. You can get through.
it will be a 30-mark MCQ, ma'am.
No, no, usually here it will be for 60 marks. For MCC, how they are conducting, because till date our coordinator, he used to conduct the exam.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'll just check out and let you know how much marks it will be.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So girls, try to pass this entries and all. If you are having any doubts, please do get it clarified. Okay. So tomorrow, whatever it is left out in tally, so we'll cover up with that small vouchers and all. And then we will, Friday we will be having a revision class. So get it clarified if you are having any doubt from the beginning. Okay. So GST part, as one person's doubt is there, I'll clarify that one. Apart from it, any doubts, get it clarified. Okay. So hope you people were able to follow today's class. Usually people don't respond, so I won't be able to know either you are able to follow it or not. Okay, this name of class, I'll just check out. I'll check out and I'll clarify it tomorrow. Okay. So in the meantime, you just try to create a new company and pass the transaction and see if it is working or what. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. So I'll wind up the class. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.